Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I've got a CP train coming in here with the CMQ locomotive. Look at this. AC4400. And it's not stopping. This is the one time that I wanted this train to stop and it didn't. This is July 6th, 2021 at around 6:20 p.m. And I was waiting for this train to leave. I knew it was there in Lachine, picking up these double stacks. So I was almost out of place getting this train, but there it is. Would have liked a little more time to film that CMQ locomotive. Yeah. There's the mixed freight that I saw when I was coming on the Vaudreuil train. Saw this in the yard, which is kind of why I stayed around here in Dorval, which was a good thing because I was able to get a couple of other trains here with this insane, intense sky. There was actually a downpour before. Depressed center flat car with nothing on it. Saw that in the yard. Yeah, the sun is out now, but the clouds were pretty heavy, and it's a very humid day. And this will be the last train of the day for me. Spent an extra hour here at Dorval. Wasn't expecting to do. Empties, you can see right through them. Auto racks. I've heard you can put 15 automobiles in each of these, 3 on each level. Although I'm sure there's some that have 2 levels for SUVs. So probably 10 for the SUVs. Lots of traffic behind me as well here on the 20 at rush hour. CN tracks here are in the foreground. And this CP train, if I didn't mention it, was westbound. Here's EPU, this is unrebuilt AC4400CW. Empty flats. Every time I see flat cars like that, I keep hoping it'll be Toronto streetcars or something. Or flats. And that's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.